I chose it because I've always been like, how does that work type of person. And this program gave me the opportunity to not only figure out how it works, but learn how to take it apart and put it back together, working better. I never really stopped to think about what it would be like working with mainly men, but I think it'll be okay. It doesn't really bother me too much. Anything that we do here, anybody can do it. You just have to take the time to figure it out and want to learn how to do it. I like how the classes are smaller and you get more one-on-one attention than you would per se in a bigger university. All the staff and everything's very friendly. Everyone's eager to help you with whatever you need help with. It's local. If you're just coming out of high school, it's definitely going to help you get used to the college life because it's not like high school at all. I would say go for it, 110%. The program's great, the teachers are fantastic, it's wonderful. And I hope to see you at West Virginia Northern Community College. You can visit WVNCC.edu for more information.